To inspect and replace the spark plugs on your RZR Trail, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface in a well-ventilated area, and ensure it is in park. Next, pull up on the cargo box panel latch and pivot the panel up and out to remove. Before continuing, clean the area around the airbox. Removing this cover will help improve access to the spark plugs. Then, release the two airbox cover straps. Pivot the cover out and lift up to remove. Inspect the airbox cover seal for any wear or damage and replace if necessary. Before continuing, clean the area around the spark plugs. Next, remove the spark plug boots. Before continuing, blow any dirt or debris out of the spark plug wells with compressed air to prevent anything from falling into the cylinders. Then, carefully loosen the spark plugs and remove from the vehicle. Inspect the electrodes for wear and carbon buildup, and verify there are no cracks around the insulation. The spark plug should have a sharp outer edge with no rounding or erosion. Also, inspect and adjust the spark plug gap if needed. If necessary, replace with the recommended spark plug. Refer to your owner's manual for the recommended plugs. Severe engine damage may occur if the incorrect plug is used. Next, install the spark plugs into the engine and torque to specification. Do not apply anti-seize to the threads. Reinstall the spark plug boots and ensure they are fully seated. Then, reinstall the airbox cover by aligning the lower retention tabs and pivoting in. Then, secure the two cover straps. Next, reinstall the cargo box panel by engaging the retaining tabs and locking into place. Then, firmly press down on the panel to engage the latch. Finally, start the engine to verify proper operation. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.